Yep, there it is.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ness County in west central Kansas, northwestern Rush County, southwestern Ellis County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Buzzing, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. You can expect ping pong ball-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near McCracken around 5:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Hargrave. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 153, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties.
What did I miss? What did I miss? Oh, for the love of God.
The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
Oh,
for
Hastings.
southeastern Fillmore County in south central Nebraska, northwestern Fayette County in south central Nebraska, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carlton, or 33 miles north of Belleville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size
They
hail.
lied.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
This isn't even a cell. This is like barely even a cell down there.
Ohio, Carlton, and Strang. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Fillmore, and Fayette.
Okay, well, that kind of caught me off guard.
The National Weather Service in Hastings has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska. Our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets.
So we have thunderstorm warning issued.
Thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for northwestern Rush and southwestern. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of McCracken, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Rush County, southeastern Ellis County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hargrave, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can expect quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near La Crosse and leave until around 6:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Bison, Chicken, Loretta, and Otis. A severe thunderstorm warning remains. Gusting to 25 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.4 centimeters and falling. Lows in Edwards County. Thursday, mostly sunny. A 20% chance of rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 70. Thursday night through Friday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 50s. Highs in the mid-70s. Saturday, partly sunny. A slight chance of rain showers in the morning. Then a slight chance of rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s.
the? Hold on. Why is the? That's the watch. That's the watch thing. Oh, it's a tornado watch. Oh, it's a tornado watch. Oh my God. A tornado watch has got issued. What? Hold on. For what? For who?
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Oh my God.
And listen for later statements and possible warnings.
It's gonna be. Oh.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio, and trained weather spotters reported tornado lines hail 3 miles east of Hargrave at 6:15 p.m. Tornado watch following events are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected Sunday for the following impacted and North Bison, Kansas.
Okay, well that.